how to fix Valorant lag, high ping, and packet loss. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can fix lag, high ping, and packet loss issues in Valorant to improve your overall gaming experience. So make sure to stick around till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about internet connection. A stable, wired connection is always better than Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi can cause signal drops, especially during peak hours or if you're far from the router. Next is your network usage in the background. Many times, lag in Valorant isn't about the game itself. Make sure your connection is dedicated to gaming while you're in a match. Now about ping spikes, Valorant has region-specific servers, so make sure you're connected to the one closest to you. Also, avoid VPNs unless you're using one to fix routing issues. Specifically, some VPNs can actually worsen latency. Let's move on to packet loss, which is basically data not making it to the server or back. This can feel like rubber banding, shots not registering, or sudden stutters. Restarting your modem or changing DN servers can sometimes help, but if it's consistent, contacting your ISP might be necessary. That's it for today's video. Hopefully, these tips help you get smoother gameplay and lower ping in Valorant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.